Well, hello again. Well, we've got another project in the shop today. I want to make a new lathe tool. I always find it quite funny, really, because when we get square stock, we tend to want to make it round, and when we get round stock, we tend to want to make it square. It always seems that way. I just don't know why it is, but it does. It seems very strange. Anyway, well, they say most projects start at the bandsaw. This one doesn't. I don't have any 12 by 12 square stock. It's square, but I do have some 60mm round bar, which I tend to make square. So I have the milling cutter set up in the machine. So I'll just set this in the vise. What we're going to do is turn this round piece of stock into a square piece of stock. The pieces are round about, let me give you a quick measurement. Something like about, that's 90 millimeters, just under 4 inches. So what we'll do, we'll get started. I'll just move the camera over a little bit. Sorry for the getting dizzy. That's quite good there. I may have to switch this light out. That's better. I'll zoom in a little bit. Right, I've not had the my machine running yet today. So what I usually like to do, I usually like to run it for a moment or two, just to warm the bearings up. Just run it around about 500 or 600, something like 700, or actually 1100. Just let it warm up. We'll get a touch off, and then we will be using my power feed. Over. Put that down a little bit till we get a touch off. We engage, yep. First we must remember to tighten the stock up. We didn't tighten the stock. A good idea. I just have to cut the camera here just for a moment or two. Okay, we'll just do a touch off and we'll begin. Set the DRO up. Call that 0 and give that a try. A bit more than that, I think. We'll take about 1 millimeter. See how that goes. Absolutely no problem. Engage my power feed. Just a little bit more velocity on. We're doing about 1150 RPM now. That's a 1 mil cut. Okay, taking about another half a mil back the other way. As we're fine cutting, I'm only on a small machine here. Give it a try. I'm not sure what type of steel it is. I think what we'll do now, we'll take a measurement on that. We'll just stop them on the machine while we're messing about. Just a quick measurement on that, what we have. So we need to make 12 millimeters and we're now at 13.71. So we need about another, just over another millimeter off that side now. So I'll turn that. In fact, I better deburr that at the moment. Hang on. Quick deburr. Clean the parallels off. Quick tap down. Parallels are tight. will take a 1mm cut, I think. Just slightly under 1mm, and we'll come back the other way and take the last few tenths off. Oh, sorry, it's not the camera there. Nice and slowly. That way. Oh, not liking that. Well, that light blows it out a little bit. Yeah, definitely better without. I am using my homemade power feed. Maybe 2 or 3 years ago, I can't remember now. I do have a video on it. It had a lot of viewings. It's made for my windscreen wiper motor and the speed controller. The total thing only cost me about £12 to £13 to make, but it works absolutely brilliant on this small XJ12 milling machine from Amadale. It's a good little milling machine, a little bit lightweight, but does what I want it to do mainly. Nice sharp cutter in there at the moment. Seems to be cutting nicely. One thing with the power feed, at least you get a constant travel. Get less machining marks as well, I've found. Speed up off the end. Take a little tiny bit more off. That should be about a 7/100th of a millimetre. And I'll go back the other way. And that should be our target, hopefully. making a nice job. I'm just going to come back the other way and take off that little bit. There's a bit of an edge at the back. Just zoom along with the power feed. Nothing really, but take it off and we'll have a measure. I think I'm just going to flatten the two sides so it's flat top and bottom. Doesn't have to be square, but we'll see. Just do it back the other way and we'll have a measure. I'll bring you back. So off camera I decided to actually make it square. So what I did, I just took another pass of 1.5 mils off the other opposite third side. Now I'm taking another 1.5 off the opposite side to that one, so then we should be square. I don't think I've explained quite what I was making. I just wanted to make a new tool for the lathe, which takes a TCMT insert, a triangular one. Just show you one quickly, like that, diamond shaped one, and I want to make it a double-ended one. And there we go. So we'll crack on with finishing it. Running about 1100 RPM, 1.5 mil of depth of cut, using the power feed. Just engage the power feed and away we go. Hopefully it's nice and steady. That doesn't look like a 1.5 mil cut, but we shall check it. I know I meant to put a 1.5 mil cut on, but it looks more like a millimetre to me. Okay. Yes it is. Do apologise. We'll come back the other way. Line cutting, taking 0.5 off. With a large spot in the middle there. I mainly want it for a facing tool, and also I could use it as a chamfer tool as well. Just a small chamfers. Across the other end, about there, switch direction and we'll drop it down 1.5. Four. 1.5. I'll try and cut down. I'll put table lock on just a little bit to create a bit of drag. Scoot along there, then we'll scoot along the back edge. Just take that's the sharp rag off. I thought it'd been quite close. Bring it a bit closer, maybe. That could just make it a lovely finish. Stop that there. Okay, we'll zoom back the other way just to take that rag off. Nothing really. Could have taken it off with a file, but good stuff. Okay, shut them all down. We'll take a look at what we've got. Right, we now have a square piece of steel. Not a bad piece. Okay, so there we have it. So what I'll do when I'm going to mill out for the inserts, we'll bring you back. So if you stayed with me this long, thank you. Probably make it a one-part video, I think, rather than two. So it's chopper 1316 saying bye bye for now, and I'll bring you back on the next one. Bye bye.